Birds produce different kinds of sounds for many important reasons related to communication, survival and reproduction. These sounds include songs, calls, alarms, and contact notes. Birds often sing to attract mates and defend their territory, especially during the breeding season. Birds also produce alarm, calls to warn others of danger when predators such as hawks or snakes are nearby. Some birds use soft contact calls to stay connected with their flock while flying or searching for food. In addition, parent birds communicate with their chicks through special calls to guide them, feed them, or warn them to stay quiet when predators are close. Because birds live in different environments and have different lifestyles,